Did you know that squats can do more than build leg strength? There's one hidden benefit that's often overlooked: strengthening your pelvic floor. For men, this can support better circulation and intimate health. For women, it may help reduce leaks and improve daily comfort. Today, we'll explore why the pelvic floor matters, how squats activate it, and how research backs this up, followed by a simple routine you can start immediately.
The pelvic floor is a group of deep muscles forming a supportive hammock at the base of your pelvis, holding up organs like your bladder, intestines, and, for women, the uterus. They're essential for posture, stability, and daily comfort.
As we age, the pelvic floor naturally weakens. Men may experience reduced circulation and intimate health concerns. Women may face urinary leaks, posture issues, or pelvic discomfort. Such changes can significantly affect quality of life. So why are squats effective? A scientific study published in Life Journal confirmed that squats, along with planks and quadruped positions, produce some of the most robust pelvic floor muscle activations, even without significantly increasing abdominal pressure. This makes squats a beneficial exercise for pelvic floor strengthening programs. Other expert sources, like health and fitness publications, recognize squats as one of several effective moves, including bridges, bird dogs, and kegels, that promote pelvic floor strength, core stability, and relief from issues like incontinence or back pain. Here's how to perform a beginner-friendly squat at home. 1. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. 2. Lower slowly, like sitting into a chair, controlled and steady. 3. Keep knees behind toes and chest upright. On the way up, gently engage your lower belly and pelvic floor. Aim for 10 reps twice a day. If deep squats are tough, try this. Chair squat. Sit and stand slowly, using breath control. Split squat, advanced. 1 foot forward, 1 back. Great for stability. Remember, consistency matters more than depth. Squats are not just for leg power. They're a secret weapon for pelvic floor support and long-term health. Just a few minutes daily can make a big difference. In our next video, we'll reveal another powerful yet simple move, the plank. It's one of the best ways to strengthen your core, protect your back, and support your posture. Don't miss it.